Creating the look is easier than you think. This is everything you need for every step. File your nails into the desired shape using the coarse side of the nail file. Wipe your nails with a cleaner pocket to remove grease. The next prep step. Apply the prep booster to your nails. Let it air dry for 30 seconds. Hold the sticker sheet so the logo is on the right side to avoid applying them upside down. Hold the sticker sheet above each nail to see which sticker fits your nail best. Remove the plastic protective layer and then remove carefully the gel nail sticker from the sheet. Apply the sticker to the nail. Firmly press the sides of the gel nail sticker with the flat side of the wood stick. Cut off the remaining gel nail sticker with nail scissors. Roll the wood stick over the nail to avoid air bubbles. Leave under the LED lamp for 120 seconds. Now you file the gel nail stickers to the same length as your nails and smooth out the edges. Wipe your nails with a cleaner pocket. Time for the finishing touch, the top coat. Apply a thin layer of shine to protect the colour and give it a glossy finish. Seal the top of the nail to prevent air from getting underneath. Clean your cuticles with a gel polish corrector pen or the wood stick. Always make sure the polish is on your nail, not on your skin. Leave under the LED lamp for 60 seconds. Now wait 2 minutes to let the layers cool down properly. Remove the adhesive layer with a cleaner pocket. The last minute waiting. And now, the final touch. Apply the nourishing cuticle oil and massage it in to hydrate your cuticles. Enjoy your beautiful salon quality manicure for 14 days.